Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduction, my name is Javinta Rahmadias Kusuma with student ID number 2024322001, Class A Information System Study Program. Here I will explain the second jaringan computer, which contains about HTTP, DHCP, and DNS. Okay, and this is the first step is planning star network topology, and determining IP address. The first step is added one server or generic servers to the workspace, and next edit one switch, for example switch 2960, and edit for end device or PC. And after that, connect all device, servers, and 4 PCs to the switch using straight through cable. And next, server's configuration: DHCP, HTTP, or DNS. The server is configured to provide all the service required by the client, and the server is configured to provide all the service required by the client. One, the first is server static IP configuration. The server must have a fixed static IP address to be accessible by clients and function as a service provider. And set server IP address like that: IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS server. The IP address is set to like this, and with the subnet mask of like this, since the server serves as the default gateway and DNS server for this network. What values are also set to like this. With this static IP, server address is fixed and will not change, ensuring reliable service. And next is HTTP service configuration or web server. The HTTP service is configured to serve web page. Here are the steps. Our steps is clicks on the service tab, which is HTTP, and make sure the HTTP and HTTPS service are in the on positions. And next it is edit the index HTML file or create a new file to display personal data, which is name, student ID, address, as request. And next is configure the DHCP service. The DHCP is configured to automatically allocate IP address to all client PC according to the objective of the practicum. This is our steps. Click on the service tab, which is the DHCP, and set the DHCP service status to on, and pull configuration, and then like this configuration, which is the server start IP address from 10, and the first IP address to be shared, and subnet mask and maximum number of users, and then click save. And then this is configure DNS service. The DNS service is configured to translate easy to remember domain names jar,32.com into server IP address, and click on the service tab, which is DNS, and set the DNS service status to on, and adding a record. A new record is added with name jar, and type a record maps hostname to IPv4 addresses, and this is the web server IP address. And next is client PC configuration, the DHCP client. Each client PC is set to request IP configuration automatically. Client settings in the client PC IP configuration. The DHCP option is selected, and result the DHCP DORA discovery over requested and acknowledged process occurs, and the client PCs receive IP address automatically starting from 10 for PC 1, and so on, with the same default gateway and DNS servers at the server's address. And this is for PC 1 and PC 2 and PC3 and then PC4. And then access trial. The final steps is to verify that all servers are working properly. One is the test connection to server, or ping. Test the basic connection using ping to ensure the network layer is working. Testing ping to server IP address from client PC, and the result show is read-write from the servers with no percent loss, verifying that the physical and logical connection between the client and server is successful. And this is access trial for web access test, or HTTP. Test access to the web page that has been created on the server. Access using IP address. Client access in web browser, and result a simple web containing personal information like name, student ID, address appears, proving the HTTP service is working properly. And next is access using domain. Client access http jarformat32.com in web browser. The result is the same web page loads successfully. This indicates that the DNS service successfully translate to the domain name jarcom32.com to the IP address. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.